Section 4 of the UCCJEA Affidavit requires you to provide information to the court of any person, a party to the proceeding, who has some role in this proceeding based on their involvement with the children. Subsection A, B, and C are all meant for you to provide additional information of up to 3 different people who could have involvement in this case, even though they are not a party to this proceeding. If you do not know of any person in this or any other state, jurisdiction, or country who is not a party to this proceeding, but who has physical custody or claims to have parental responsibility for, custody of, or time sharing or visitation with respect to any child subject to this proceeding, then you should mark off the first box of Section 4 of the UCCJEA Affidavit. However, if you do know that there are a person or persons not a party to this proceeding who have physical custody or claim to have parental responsibility for, custody of, or time sharing or visitation with respect to any child subject to this proceeding, you must provide the information for each individual person to which these terms may apply. For each individual person, you must provide the name and address of that person in the spaces provided. You must also indicate whether that person has physical custody or claims parental responsibility or custody rights over any child subject to this proceeding, or claims time sharing or visitation with any child subject to this proceeding. You must also provide the name of each child to which this non-party may have physical custody or claim parental responsibility or time sharing or visitation. And you must indicate the relationship that this person has to that minor child, if any. For example, if the non-party is a foster parent to a particular minor child, they may not have a direct relationship with that child, but you may still try to indicate to the best of your ability the relationship that they have with the minor child, given the circumstances of them either having physical custody or claiming parental responsibility or custody rights, or claiming time sharing or visitation with the minor child. Make sure that you provide information on each individual person that may have any of these claims or physical custody of any minor child subject to this proceeding. If there is more than 3 of such people that could be involved in this case, you must provide additional information for those additional persons on an additional page and ensure that that additional page is attached to this completed form when you file it with the clerk of court.